Add some serious lighting power to your Ford Bronco with Rough Country's triple LED fog light kit. This handy kit lets you fit 3 pairs of Rough Country 2-inch LED cube lights on your factory steel bumper, increasing your lighting power and visibility during nighttime adventures. Each light contains a bright, focused beam that will help you navigate all terrain with confidence. The kit also includes a premium flat-wound wiring harness with on and off toggle switch. This 100% bolt-on kit discreetly mounts onto the OE bumper's factory fog light location. The brackets are hidden from view for a clean and flush install. No cutting or drilling is required, so you can get this installed and hit the trail in no time flat. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures that these lights can withstand the harshest conditions. The moisture breather technology reduces moisture buildup behind the lens, making sure your lights always perform at their best. Whether you're driving through thick fog or inching your way down a dark trail, you can rest assured that you'll have visibility when you need it. Rough Country's triple LED fog light kit for the Ford Bronco. Get yours today.